Hello and welcome back to another video where today I'm going to be showing you how to do Chung-MU, the second brown belt form of Taekwondo. We're going to start with a twin knife hand block, followed by a step forward chop, pivot 180 degrees to the right and pseudo, step forward and spear thrust, pivot 90 degrees to the left and pseudo, back side kick, pseudo, jumping side kick, land in a pseudo and key up, pivot 270 degrees counterclockwise, low block, grab behind neck, pull hands to knee, pivot and knife hand strike, roundhouse kick, turning back kick, and pseudo in the opposite direction, roundhouse kick, step out with the right and bow block, jump into the air, spinning 360 degrees counterclockwise, land in a pseudo, open hand groin strike, pull back into low block, step and spear thrust, pivot 270 degrees, twin fist block, right inside block, back fist, pivot 180 degrees, side kick, left side kick, high X block the other direction, step and double upset, pivot 180 degrees, rising block, middle punch, and key up. And that's going to sum it up for this video. If you enjoyed, make sure you leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the very next video. Goodbye.